Whenever a need arises from cosmic principles, somebody arrives in this planet to establish certain norms. All those who are good, they realize the presence of such personalities. They save human species and good souls too. Assumes human form is a reality. God sends representative to this planet is also a reality. To make evolution possible in this planet, religion of love is in the living God system. Purposeful engagement. An organizer have to be extraordinarily capable with vision and a mission for implementing the thought patterns for a new millennium. Organizers have to be spiritually intellectual, purposefully determined with the power of wisdom, knowledge of the process of yogic evolution beyond all religions. Their life is scientifically meditative with the awareness of one's own divinity, explorable within to cure and heal the wounds or trauma in the psychological minds with mindfulness of power of spirituality and intuitional influences. All those who are powerful can feel the power through righteousness. Talk to our manifestation soul, our manifestation projections too. So it's not for all. Bifurcation and filtering is also. Real gems and jewels have to be tuned with me. So how are you, my would-be soul, the bachelor bungalow souls and spinster bungalow souls? How do you feel your own power within? When you listen to me, you should find something is awakening in you for a correction, for a transformative life. Life is so beautiful in this planet. Philosophy always talks about life, beautiful life, not dry life. All philosophers talk about the beauty of the cosmos, cosmic science, yogic science, and the beauty of existing in this planet with consciousness of one's own divinity. That's where me brand soul, the righteousness, the bachelors and spinsters, the yogis and the yoginis are powerful to feel their own divinity. And there is more beauty. They don't have to depend upon anyone except their own soul consciousness, soul power. Then the intuitional faculty will get awakened. What is to be done? what is to be not to done, all these things will have its own finest ways of perceiving divinity every day. Soul consciousness is so nice for neighboring souls. There will be obstacles for good things, but one has to overcome it through power, consciousness, and various wonderful things to feel how to use the power through proper way. That is where common sense is also essential. Many have power, but they do not know how to use it because of conditioned life in environments. Environment is not life. There is no beauty in it. It is slavery. But it is essential for those who are in the lower levels. It's okay for them. But those who are bright, brilliant souls, they should know how to build their own super consciousness through the power. Then extraordinary capability will arise in every soul's heart that can read so many things also. And the purpose, proximity. Purpose and proximity power is essential for neighboring souls. That's why Bachelor Bangladesh souls, Spinster Bangladesh souls, they know how to live and lead a beautiful life without anybody's opinion but one's own consciousness. Then there is leading one's own mind, leading one's own intellect, leading one's own ego, leading one's own beautiful life. That's where Nij Yoga meditation, Nij Yoga system of evolution is bestowing the grace power of cosmic consciousness and one's own soul power. Then Mid Power Yoga is the best for souls, straight from hearts to hearts. Many consider it's enough. Is there any need of any change? I say, there will be perfection and imperfection in this planet. Sometimes imperfection is perfection for spiritual souls, spiritual consciousness. It is better to be imperfect than doing nothing. So, any new activities require certain levels of practicality. There is no definition for illusion, but there can be definition for perfection and imperfection for the sake of allowing one's power to grow along with practical reality and practical solutions in constructiveness of humankind, not destructiveness. Messengers of love, religion of love is in the constructive ways of doing things. Many devotee system or other systems introspect whether any need of improvement is there. Those who have not begun their spiritual journey, how can they think about improvement? At least begin to explore the possibilities of beginning for a new millennium change, transformation, then there can be improvement. So begin to think about one's own divinity and get into a transformative life. Life is a precious gift of God or cosmic science or yogic science. One should not waste it. One should not live with any type of ugliness also. One should use it to realize one's own divinity. Then bodies cannot realize God. Living body only can correct and realize one's own potential divinity. So, all those who are not begun a new change, think about getting into the change for the sake of a millennium transformation. then life will bless you with more beautiful life. Otherwise, many will experience life is so dull, life is not so beautiful, because death do not know what is life. Birth knows everything, but after getting a beautiful life in this planet, don't waste it. Utilize for realizing one's own potential divinity. Then philosophy becomes practical. Nijya, the system of evolution, bestowed that loving attitudes to realize one's own divinity. Right? Left your only for dissolved would-be souls who love to get into the change to bachelor Bengal souls and spinster Bengal souls with Nijiyogic life. I am here in this planet, NIJESSAI.